I'm here at ISHI 34. I'm here with Alexander from SERATEC. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm glad to be here.
So how many ISHIs have you or your company been to?
This is actually our 10th ISHI. We have been coming to ISHI since 2014, and we have done all of them, including the virtual one in 2020.
Nice. What keeps you all coming back?
Well, we are a small company that is based in Germany, and most of our customers are not from Germany, they are from abroad. So for us it's utterly important to come to ISHI, which is one of the main international events for forensic DNA and forensic biology, to meet all our international customers. And we love being here, we love the significant international attendance here, and all the people from all the countries all over the world. And this is one of the main reasons why we come here, to meet our product users, to meet people from academia, to meet also to see what's going on in the field, and to see how our products can help for the forensic laboratories work better and more efficiently.
So tell me more about your company, because you said you come here to meet your customers.
Yes.
What services do you provide?
We are manufacturers, so we are not a service lab, so we're not a private crime lab. We manufacture test kits for the detection of various forensically relevant body fluids, such as seminal fluid, blood, saliva. We also have a test kit for the differentiation between menstrual blood and non-menstrual blood, which is sometimes quite important in forensic casework too.
Yeah. Menstrual blood and non-menstrual blood. I've seen some research about that, and it can be difficult to kind of
absolutely
differentiate those two.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So the company has been coming to ISHI for 10 years. Have you been to every single one of those yourself?
Actually, yes.
Oh,
yes,
wow.
I have.
So how are you chosen to come to ISHI, or do you just volunteer?
No, I think, as far as I remember, one of our friends who had been working at a forensic lab here in the US for 30 years, he recommended us to attend ISHI. And we had absolutely no idea about what conference is better, what conference we should attend. So we just gave it a chance in 2014. This was a meeting, I think it was at the Arizona Biltmore in Phoenix. And we loved it. We loved it. So it's always beautifully organized, and the people we meet and the topics that are being discussed here have always been significantly relevant to everything we do.
Yeah. So you've been able to attend some of the talks and look at some of the posters?
Yes, we are actually present here with 2 posters. So we have a poster today in the afternoon, and there is also another poster that is so someone else is going to present, but it also involves our products. So we're also happy to present and share some scientific work here with the community.
Nice. Are you able to give me a little bit of information about those 2 posters?
Yeah, it is about the integration of body fluid detection with the subsequent DNA extraction and DNA analysis from challenging samples. For example, one of the posters deals with stains that have been exposed to extreme weather conditions, in this case tropical weather. And these stains have been checked for relevant body fluids such as semen, saliva, and blood. And from the same sample, we could also extract DNA and perform the nuclear DNA and also the mitochondrial DNA analysis.
Oh, within the same extract?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So basically, it shows that whatever serological screening is being done, it's non-destructive to the evidence. So you still have enough sample that you can extract and go further with your DNA analysis.
Yeah. And then you said the other poster is used or is talking about your product?
Yes. So the work that was done, the team that was working on the experiments, they used our products for the detection of blood, saliva, and semen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I'll be interested to check out those posters and see.
Yeah, it's easy to memorize actually because the poster number is 100. So
Nice.
yeah.
Okay. So what is something that shocked or surprised you about ISHI when coming to these meetings, whether it's something you've learned or something you've seen or maybe the customers you've gotten?
What I always, I mean, this is one of the main reasons to come here for us as well. I've always loved the openness and directness of the people here. Mm-hmm. So the best customers and the best contacts are actually the people who come to your booth and tell you, I don't like your or I tested something, I ran something and it didn't work out well. Yeah. And then you start a conversation and then you start to understand why, and we talk about the workflow, we talk about all the steps, we talk about the dilutions, etc., etc. So these conversations are the most valuable ones. And I think this is something that is somehow unique because we really meet the product users here, so the people are not interested in it's not an it's a perfect combination of a business meeting, a scientific meeting, and a users meeting. So this is something that I would not say that it shocked me, but this is something that I particularly think about when I think about ISHI as a conference. It's a unique, very, very positive and beneficial mix of topics and focuses.
Right. That's what keeps you coming back every year.
Yes. Well, I'm excited. I mean, I definitely look forward to going to the next one in San Antonio.
Yeah, you're already thinking about it.
I'm already thinking about it, yes.
That's great.
I know that it was planned for 2021 or 2020, and well, now it's time to catch up on it. So
yeah. So I just have one more question. So have you ever gone back to your job and then you get an email that says, hey, I met you at ISHI, I would like to use some of your products?
Yes. Yes, many times.
Many times.
Many times. Although, I mean, the most typical email would be that people would like to validate, because they would not go straight away and tell you, okay, so I would like to use your product, and which is why we always bring samples with us. So we have like little packages that we just give out to people, and we'll tell them, look, just whenever you have time, take a look at the product, run the dilution series, see how it works with your current workflow. Let us know your feedback, and then if you need more, we'll send you more. And so this is how it all starts.
Yeah. How their relationship, and they just
keeps
going from there.
Yes. Nice. And actually, I think that we have many customers that have stayed very loyal to us, and we appreciate it very much.
Yeah. Hi. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me.
Yeah, I thank you too. I appreciate being here and look forward to tonight's evening event.